In the world of conflicts and major issues, every country is focusing on its military and warlike situations. So with that, good afternoon everyone, and the topic of my lecturate is theatre commands. As we have witnessed in the time of post-Cold War that there is a major need to integrate our military aspect in every way, be it Air Force, be it military, or be it naval. Every aspect of our defense needs to be integrated to make a joint effort and move forward towards the progress of every country. So we have witnessed that in the era of Cold War, there was a huge setbacks in the joint operations and collaboration of countries. So post-Cold War, US was the first country which initiated the step towards making of a theatre command system to improve the integration and joint steps towards developing its military and economic strength. Similarly, in India, we have witnessed that in the 1962 war, in case of China in the India war, India has faced a major setback due to the lack of cooperation between different forces. So in Kargil war in 1992, we witnessed a great comeback from the previous mistakes that we have done and showed a joint collaboration of all the three forces, that is Army, Navy and Air Force, and have won that war at with a very great impact. After that, India has recently established a theatre commands in the Port Blair region of Andaman, and now currently India is focusing on making more commands like that in the northern region to protect the Chinese border, in the western region to protect the Pakistan border, in the eastern region to protect the Bay of Bengal region and the eastern countries, and in the and also a maritime theatre command to protect the Indo-Pacific regions for the development and stability of the country. Also, adding to this, theatre command is a very essential command system for any country to save its resources and use them in a very economical and efficient way, as it not only just save our economy but also helps in a strategic planning in every way possible. And also in the situations like war and conflicts, there will be a easy and combined implementation of the strategies. In conclusion, I would like to add that India should spend more on such practices like theatre command to help to protect our country from the neighboring conflicts that we are facing nowadays. Like in case of Pakistan and China, we should focus more on our military and economic conditions. Thank you.